Hello, I am Michael Tuttle, and I am giving my presentation on the solo growth model. For our presentation, we chose to use Angola as an example of a country that has gone through economic growth that can be shown through the solo growth model. Angola is a country located in the south of Africa with a population of 30.8 million. It's a mostly agrarian country, and it went through a major civil war throughout the recent years that ended in 2002. This civil war depressed the GDP per capita through the destruction of capital and the lack of foreign investment. This destruction of capital came about by a higher than normal depreciation rate due to destruction from bombings or lack of maintenance due to a lack of manpower. And foreign investment was understandably not as common due to the fact that the country's future was uncertain. And a decrease in either of these factors in the solo growth model creates decreased growth. Recovery can be seen in and around 2002, when the end of the Civil War brought in a large influx of money, when the country's large amounts of natural resources were able to be sustainably exploited by the countries and companies that wanted to use them. And this meant that there was a large influx of foreign investment. Additionally, the destruction of capital greatly decreased, and there was a larger amount of manpower that was willing to work without the danger of violence in the streets.